Kiss TV. Today's video is going to be over this gorgeous wig from Gorgius Hair. So this is actually a freaking closure. If you are not familiar with my channel, head over to my hair playlist so that you can see other wigs I've done. For the people who have been here for a while, you guys know, you have not seen me in a closure. Won't do it, ain't gonna do it. When I tell y'all this closure looks freaking amazing, like I didn't bleach the knots. As y'all can see, I barely plucked the part. Like what y'all see me pluck was all I plucked. I added some concealer in it and that's it. I did one layer of glue, cut some layers in it, and this is how we are. I'm loving it. I'm not a closure girl, but I'm loving it because it's giving me options to switch my hair. I don't have thick layers of glue around here. It's super, super convenient. So to be able to just plop this on basically fresh out the box was amazing. On a scale 1 to 10, I'd give this hair a 9. The highlights were already here. This first layer was already here for the curtain bang. All I did was add a little bit of layer right here, which I'll show you guys in the video a little bit later. Super easy, super simple. I love this freaking hair. It's giving mature, grown, sexy vibes. So anyways, that's enough of me talking. Make sure you guys check out the description box if you love this unit. They have other units as well. Make sure you check that out. I'll have a discount code for you guys in the description box below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into this install. Again, Gorgius Hair, thank you so much for sending this over. Very, very clutch. I'm now a closure girl, thanks to you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's get into this install.